Good morning, everybody, and a very happy Independence Day of India. Today we are celebrating our 78th Independence Day. We have completed 77 years of our independence ever since we got it on 15th August 1947. No need to mention that the day holds utmost importance for us, for anybody in the world who had been a slave earlier, had felt the pain of that slavery, and is now breathing in the free air. Only that person can value the freedom. And we all are enjoying this freedom because of our freedom fighters who lost their lives, who lost their families, who did not bother to lose anything which belonged to them just to provide this gift of freedom to all of us. And I expect that all of us will cherish this freedom for years and years and years, and we will never let our country land into that kind of situation once again, where there will be dark clouds of slavery looming over our head. We all have to work hard for that. We all have to understand our responsibilities and deliver them well. We all have to ensure that our country progresses in each and every field, whether it is science and technology or finance or defense. And I must say that we are on the right path right now, as our country has earned a very good name at the world level thanks to the leadership we are having. They are all concerned about all those factors which I mentioned. Financially, we are becoming strong. Our economy is rising. Our defense is strongest than ever. And we are prospering in each and every field. Only thing is that everyone has to contribute, because each and every drop counts for making an ocean. And if we keep pouring our drops, I'm sure that one day India will stand tall as the world leader, the path on which we are treading right now. One request I want to make to everybody, as we are celebrating Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Recently, in the past few years, it was decided by our Prime Minister that the Indian flag can be hoisted on top of all the homes as well. Earlier, this was not the case. The flag could be hoisted at certain important places only. But now everybody has got the privilege to hoist Indian flag with proud on top of their houses, the buildings and all. Just one request, please ensure that there is no disrespect to the flag which we are hosting. Once we hoist the flag at our homes, at our organizations, workplaces, after that we have to take due care of that. There should not be any kind of disrespect because of any reason. The flag should not get torn, the flag should not get blown away by the wind, falling here and there. If at all we see any kind of disrespect being given to the Indian flag, all of us being Indians, it is our responsibility to ensure there and then, right at that moment, that we should take our Indian flag back, being the Indian citizens, and dispose it off with proper respect. There is a way, a procedure mentioned in the Indian flag code, how to dispose of the Indian flag which has been worn out or torn or has become dirty. We should all read that Indian flag code and try to dispose of Indian flag with respect in that manner only. So I expect that all of us, if any one of us will see Indian flag lying here and there, because on Independence Day function also, when the children carry those plastic flags and all, those plastic flags are also Indian flags only. If you see this Indian flag, tricolor, Tiranga, lying here and there, wherever on the road or on the park or wherever, please pick up. With respect, fold it properly, and as per the flag code, dispose it. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day once again to everybody. Jai Hind.